Hey everyone, this is Byron and Carrie. We are walking in Alderson, West Virginia. Byron's holding you right now.
Yep, I am.
We are on one of those side streets that leads to Riverview, which is the main street in Alderson. And we wanted to show you a little bit of it.
Yep.
It's 4th of July time, so the town is decorated.
Well, let's quickly show the river, which people are kayaking on right now, which is exciting. And this is right downtown, this river.
Safe crossing
Yeah,
the road.
be safe. And I'm sure they came probably from Fort Springs, which is maybe a 3-mile float. You can come all the way from Caldwell, which is that like an 8-mile float maybe?
Pretty long float.
It is. It looks like the water's moving fairly fast, so it won't take too long to get down the river.
And then if you pan over there, that is a pedestrian bridge now. They do have it open during 4th of July and the big parade goes over it. I always think it's gorgeous. I mean, just so iconic with the mountains in the background and the American flags on it. And then you'll also see lions all throughout Alderson.
Yeah, I don't know the story about that. Do you know the story? Oh, well, it says right here maybe. A traveling circus roamed free until frightening salesmen who jumped in river. Now lions must be leashed. So apparently they were allowed to just roam free at one time.
Good thing they're leashed now. I don't know that I've ever seen a live lion.
Yep, and now we're gonna walk over towards my new favorite restaurant in Alderson. It's actually tied with the Big Wheel, but I was just introduced to it by Carrie and I love it. What's it called, Carrie?
It is called Fruits of Labor. So it is a culinary training school. They have this location and then also one in Raynell. Raynell's the original one.
And I think it's an old gas station.
Yes, it is. So this is it. We've got some folks out there eating, but it's in an old gas station. They have delicious salads, sandwiches, coffees. You like your lattes, espressos, all that stuff. And then we're gonna walk past. It's right in here. Try not to get their customers. Super good. The staff is fantastic.
All quality ingredients.
Yes, they make their breads and desserts, fresh salads, super good stuff. So this is the Alderson Community Market. This is where they have their farmers market set up here. And then over this way is the United Methodist Church. There's a quick tour.
Yep, hope you liked it. Give us a call.
Bye.